Yo, 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 welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna head over to Benjamin Moore and pick up some paint. We decided to go with a gray color. Where is it? We're gonna go with this color here, this gray. Wow, you can't see that. There you go. We're gonna go with that color right there, gray. We've got this wallpaper that's gonna go on one wall. It's pink, see, it matches my shirt, pink. I'm on my way over to the paint store. See you in a bit. Hey, I'm back. We made it to Benjamin Moore, as I call it. It's actually Mayfair Paint and Paper. Great people here. We're gonna go inside and get some paint mixed and get ready to paint tomorrow. Okay, so we got our paint, got a roller, we've got wallpaper knife, we've got wallpaper squeegee. We should have everything we need to get started on Claire's bedroom. Alright, we're home with the paint. We're going to paint the corners tonight because tomorrow my mom is going to come and help wallpaper. So we want to have the edges at least of that wall done. And then tomorrow we'll finish the rest of the painting as well. But right now we're gonna grab our brush and head up and do some painting. Also gonna put some patch in the walls tonight so that it'll dry by tomorrow. And we can put a second coat on that tomorrow too. So my mom's here to help with the wallpapering, so we just got to get a couple things from the toolbox here. Take those up, and we are ready to roll. So let's go upstairs and do some wallpapering. Pink wall. Do you like your pink wall? Show them on your pink wall. Yeah, perfect. There you go. Show everybody your pink wall. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.